So this year will make it my 5 years in photography, like professionally. This year will make it my 5 years in photography, and I feel like I have a lot of knowledge. Not even though it's not 100%, I have a lot of knowledge that I can share with people that really needs it. So I watched a video today where somebody is telling the newbies equipment that they need to shoot a good video. Now the word was like, you don't need the most expensive equipment to shoot a good video. Now I'm doing this particular video now to clear a lot of things. So people need to understand this thing. Like the first year where I started photography was when I got my first light, believing that light was going to do the job for me, and I got microphone. And before I go forward, one thing we have to understand is that to make videos like this, there are two major things that people look at. One is the sound quality. If the sound quality is bad and the video quality is very okay, you still see people not watching it because they want to learn from the video. So before you improve the video quality, you improve your sound. And I've noticed that a lot of persons don't even talk about sound quality, in how to improve sound quality in video, which is fine. But I hate when you tell your fellow, like somebody watching you, you tell the person that with this light you can shoot a video. Now, before you tell the person that with a light like this you can shoot video, try calm down and explaining to the person. Now, if you want to shoot a professional video like what I'm shooting now, it's not possible that you shoot it with this kind of light. How would you be on the camera facing, how would you be facing a camera and the light is looking like the way mine is? You can see all this area of my body is bright. My hands are bright, and you're not seeing anything like a harsh shadow on my body, and you're making video and you're telling somebody that with this light you can make good video. Now when I turn this light on, you start seeing some harsh shadows around my face. What you're supposed to tell these persons is that if you don't have money to start, you can get this equipment, this little light, and start. It might not be the best though, but start from somewhere. You can as well tell the person, oh, I started from somewhere too, then I got to this point. You're trying to motivate someone, but don't make the person feel like this light can produce a very good video. Another set of things, another set of persons are those set of persons that used to tell people, even with your iPhone, you can create a very nice video. Now, with every single video you make, the quality is different. Take it or leave it. There is a reason why rich YouTubers get black magic, get expensive cameras to shoot their YouTube videos. It's so that they can get a very clear and nice quality video. Colors will be accurate. The light will be as you're placing it. There are some cameras that when you place a light like this, the light start entering the camera and start destroying the image quality. So you make this thing clear to these persons. Now I'm shooting this particular video with SL100 and a ring light. Now I have the ML60. I also have another light. I have about 5 lights here that I can use in making video. That aside, I have RGB light, a lot of this light. I have about 6 of these RGB lights. Then I have another RGB light behind me standing there that I'm not using. The light that you're seeing, the warm light there, I had to buy these bulbs. I had to buy a lot of them and create that look so that there will be separation between me and the background. Now you're telling somebody to make videos with this. You and I know there are some videos that when you scroll past them, when you come across them, you just pass because the videos are not looking nice enough for you to look. Even though the person has a very nice message to pass, before the person will get to the message, you must have even scrolled past the video. So I feel like it would be nice if we make this thing clear to these persons. If you want to start making YouTube videos, first of all, for people like us, we like our light soft. This light, there's a reason why there is this thing, sha. But when you buy this light, this is how the light is. You want me to keep this light in my face and be shooting a YouTube video? It's not a bad idea for somebody that is just starting. Yes, it's not a bad idea. But don't tell the person you shoot a very nice video with this light. The person that was making that video and was talking, I noticed that the light wasn't the way a light should be. But because we want to make content for people to watch, we a lot of time lie to these people. And we forget that these people come back watching because they are being motivated by what we say. Even you, if you go to those person's channel and you watch their videos and you will not even follow them. One of the reasons why recently I have a lot of followers is that when they came to the page, they saw something nice. There's no difference between you and people telling people that you can shoot any kind of picture with any camera. Now, you telling somebody that you can shoot good videos with an iPhone. Yes, you can shoot good videos with an iPhone. But do you know that I have a Lumix GH4? Yeah, I have Lumix GH4. I have 5D Mark III. I have D750. I have a 7D. And I have this camera I'm shooting with. When you look at this video, no matter how you look at it, you will never find noise in this video. Now, the reason why there is no noise in this video is because, I'm not talking about audio noise now, I'm talking about video noise. Is because I had to use a light, a set of light. A lot of persons do normally shoot talking head videos like this with just SL60. But I'm using 100, SL100. And I even doubled the light. And so that I can shoot at ISO 100 to reduce all the possible noise I can reduce from the picture. So at the end, when you watch the video, you'll be impressed. I've seen a lot of persons commenting my videos like, your videos are clear, your videos are fine. That is because this thing you're seeing now, no matter how small it is, I have been preparing for it for over 4 years. Getting a mic, getting this mic and the rest, I have to prepare for it for a very long time. So let me use this time out to tell content creators that are thinking of using their phone, get a ring light instead of getting what that person is saying. Get a ring light. A ring light feels more better than using this light. Yes, because the amount of harsh light a ring light will give you if you're facing it direct to the person is less compared to this light. And I cannot be shooting, if I arrange this light, even if I have about 6, if I arrange it, they are very, very hard to control. With this light on a softbox, I added a grid, so this light cannot travel to the back. This light is just around here, so I can do my separation very well. These are some things you guys are not talking about. When you watch Kegan Tech, when you watch his video, you find out that there is always one blue light behind him. He did a video recently and he was talking about a video he shot with 60D. And he was saying we couldn't notice the quality. I noticed the quality. Quality was way different. Color and everything, both details in the video, was looking totally different. We are not talking about 4K now, we are talking about 1080p. It was totally different. Shoot with your ring light, with your iPhone, right? Shoot with your ring light. Shift far away from the background. When you do that, you give your light a less traveling power. Remember, no matter how a light travel, it will hit what is closer to him brighter than what is far away. So this light is hitting me this strong because it is close to me. So even if it's touching the background, it will not be this strong. So you get a ring light and you get this set of microphone. Just get this microphone. I feel like this is the best microphone in the market when it comes to phone, using your phone. And it allows you to filter a lot of noise. As much as I'm using one of the best mic in the market right now, I am still in a quiet place just to make sure when I'm editing, I don't have to now struggle with the voice. Because when we start reducing noise from voice, a lot of times you start killing the voice. Do well to tell these guys, okay, these are the equipment that will work, these are the equipment that will not work, instead of just making them feel like anything will work. I can use my phone and shoot this video, yes. But trust me, it will not be like this. There is a video Macklin shot with his phone. I watched that video on YouTube. The video was nice, but you cannot compare it with your camera video. And when he was shooting that video, he had to do this kind of setup. He had this kind of setup. He's using the aperture. He's using the aperture light. So that light, you know how powerful that light is. So when you bring it down, facing yourself with your camera here, your phone around here, you get something nice. I've always told people that video and picture, the power of video and picture is light. You just have to understand that light is a powerful thing among these two. If you don't have light, you kill it. Once you add light to whatever you're doing, you find out that this thing, the result comes out differently. So please, don't come telling people anything will work. Tell them, for a start, you can start with this. As you gradually improve, get your money and look for money and get something bigger so that it will work better. Share my video is looking nice, like somebody that has been in the business for long. That's because I have to watch a lot of content creators. I have to watch their videos, watch the behind the scene of how they set up the studio. This place that you're seeing now, just to get those lights behind that you normally see, the red lights, the blue and the rest. I spent a lot of money just to do it like that. So don't go telling someone anything will work. There is one boy that Kegan gave microphone that the boy is using recently. The boy has a lot of nice content, but the video quality is very bad. It seems like he's just shooting with one kind of thing in one environment. The boy has a very nice content, but you not want to consider that content the way you consider mine because of the light. Unless you are somebody that have listened to the boy very well, you understand that the boy has a lot to offer. So me having all this light, just imagine somebody like my student, people do come to me to learn. I'm not telling them with this light you can shoot video. What kind of advice is that? So please, this video was not to beef anybody, but this video was to make things clearer. Don't just tell people that anything will work. Don't tell people this light is strong enough to shoot a video. Don't tell people that. Kegan has tried so much in getting equipment for people to improve, but please don't tell people these things will work. Tell them for the main time, for the starting, they can go with it, but as time goes, they should learn to invest more on this equipment. I have invested more on equipment. That's why you see me repeating clothes in my video. I've invested more on equipment than I've ever invested on clothes. But I have always appreciated what I've done with my money. So if this video has in any way helped you, do well to subscribe to my channel. Because for you to have watched this video to this point, it's probably because you're watching it on my channel. Once again, thank you and see you in my next video.